Hi friends, today we are going to see how to make this potli button with 3 easy methods. Let's see how to do it. I will show you one by one each process. This is bead which we generally use to tuck as a button. So this bead we are using here for potli. This is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side. I will put this bead inside and will fold like this. You will get the same size of potli when you use the beads. You can make easily potli with this. I have taken here 4 threads together and I will tie this like here and rotate it around the button. This way. After 4-5 rounds you give the knot like this. You can cut your thread now. You can see this potli is done with the bead button. This extra fabric you have to cut. Now we'll see the second method. This is again I am taking the wrong side of the fabric and you know this is thermocol bead which we are using for birthday. You can take that of same size, put it inside the fabric and tie up the thread as per previous method. Take this thread, long thread here, and rotate your threads around your thermocol ball. Now simply you have to cut this thread and cut the extra fabric. You can see this potli button is also look nice, and this one is very soft potli button. You can see this. Now we'll see the third style of potli making. I have cut this small fabric This much small pieces you have to do with the fabric. And you keep it inside this fabric, main fabric, and make it round as per your requirement of the size. You can do this. Give the shape. Insert the small fabric inside properly and give round shape so that it will look like a potli, and tie up the thread. Same way you have to give the knot. If you want to show this thread while you are stitching your outfit, you have to rotate this thread extra. Otherwise you keep it less so that it will not seen from outside of the garment. Give knot properly and tight your thread. Cut the extra thread and extra fabric. You can see how easily we have done this potlis with 3 different methods, and all are easy and simple methods so that you can easily do it at home. Hope you like all these 3 methods of potli making. If you like this, like us, subscribe us, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned with us for new update on this channel. Thank you.